Do you want to bring your own website created with Lovable, Base44, or similar no-code tools to your own server, and all of that without typing commands in the terminal or using any programming language? Let me show you how it works. Normally, you'd need to export your site to GitHub first. Then you'd run a few commands in the terminal, and only then would you have your own website, which you could upload to your own FTP server. To master this, you'd have to clone your GitHub project, run a few programming commands, and essentially install it on your own computer. Only then would your website be turned into a functioning website that you can upload to your FTP server. Now imagine doing this every time you make changes to your website, just to test if it works. Entering programming commands over and over. I did it myself, and it drove me crazy. That's when I had the idea to write a small program. It's called Repo2Web, a simple yet powerful tool that allows you to convert your GitHub data. With just one click, you'll get your website data ready to upload to your FTP server. Let's take a look at how it works. We're now here on the Lovable site, and I've used the program to create a website. The question is, how do I get this website onto my own FTP server? You can't do this through the Publish button, because that only lets you publish via Lovable's platform. But we want to use our own FTP server, so let's click the neighboring button, the GitHub button. This means your website data will first be transferred to GitHub. Let's do that now. Of course, you'll need to sign up and log in first, and then you'll see this folder structure. Next, click on Code and copy this link. Now comes the magic. Open Repo2Web. At first, you'll see this welcome screen. It checks if Node and Git are installed on your computer. If not, you'll be given direct links to download these tools. Once that's done, we'll close this and move straight to the main interface. Here you can paste the Git URL you just copied. Then choose the folder where you want to store your website. I've already created a folder called Tutorial. We'll save it there. Click Start and the process begins. I recommend choosing a folder on your internal hard drive for better speed. As you can see, the conversion process was extremely fast. Now simply click the folder. This will take you directly to your completed website. Then just upload the whole project to your FTP server using your preferred FTP program like FileZilla. Done. If you want to make changes to your website, you'll need to repeat this process. That's why this program is so valuable. It saves so much time. Simply click New Conversion. I'll set it to German for now. Here you can also see your recently used GitHub URLs and folders. If you want to reuse a folder, just click on it. It's already selected, but you can choose it again. Now you'll see the folders from the first generation. Let's open it anyway. We want to overwrite it. A warning will appear saying the folder isn't empty. Just delete the content and start the conversion again. And with just a few clicks, your website is updated. As mentioned before, just upload it manually to your FTP server, and you're done. This program works on both Mac and Windows, and you'll find the link below in the description. Enjoy!